Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you Wireless Pro compact wireless microphone system. We have one receiver and two microphones. This is from Rode. Let's take it out and see. We have two bags and one USB-C to USB-C charging cable and user manual. Let's open it. Alrighty, here is the receiver. And these are the microphones. Right now they are charging. Let's check some of the attachments here. USB-A to lightning cable. This is for your iPhone. And USB-C to USB-C. You can use USB-C iPhone type. And this is for the camera. Here is the output. Whenever you want to use it, you're just going to plug it in over here. And you need to plug this into your cell phone. And here is for the camera. Let's continue. These are some of the magnets. Here is the bag. These are the wired microphones. Some of the windbreaker fairy right over here. You can just attach it right here. These are the fairy windbreaker. We're just gonna put it over here like that. These are for these microphones, like that. Since I have iPhone, I'm just gonna use this USB-C to USB-C right there. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in on right now, and it is already connected. Whenever you talk, you can see it right there. Let's put the windbreaker fairy one. This one. Now it's good. And now it's on mute. I'm gonna go ahead and talk about it. Hello, do you hear me well? Yep. And let's check this out. This is mono and stereo. Let me change it. And also, as you see, you can change it right there. The volume, I'm gonna put 12. What about this? Dynamic, auto, dynamic. Hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hold to pair the device. Gain mode. Set headphones, camera, and headphones with the microphone. Let's check the other features. Let's see. Hello. Let me go ahead and do the distance test and see. Alrighty, let me go ahead and put this one over here and do the distance test. This is the second one. Probably you're gonna hear me well. And let me go ahead and move farther away from my phone. And there are so many things happening around me right now. AC fan is working, and some dogs are just barking, and some cars are just passing. Basically, you can hear me well. And now there is one truck coming, and I'm just testing. Let's see. And I'm gonna go ahead and take it out, and you can hear what's going on around me. Basically, now I'm taking it out. How about now? Do you hear so many sounds? Now both of them are active, and whenever there is sound, you see the bars over there. It's just changing and increasing. Now I'm using both of the microphones, left side and the right side. Let's check it out, what's going on the screen. You see, I can go ahead and increase the sound. Right now, 15. Let's check it out like that. You see, now it's 30. I don't know how you can hear me. Let me check auto gain mode. And I'm gonna go ahead and lower it. Right now it is 0. Let me go ahead and change it. 0, 3, 30. You can check the difference between them, and I can go back to 0. You hear me well, probably. I don't know if you can hear me, the sound around me. Yep. I can definitely suggest this product. It has 2 microphones over here if you want to use like that. These are the attachments. Either you can use windbreaker, fairy windbreaker, or you can use this one. Let's check it out. Like that. And if you just want to put it somewhere, let's use this one. You see, you can just hang it wherever you want. Here we have the cleaning cloth. You can clean it with this. Whenever you're done with everything, you're just gonna put them into the right place. This is our X, like that. And then these are microphones. Let's close this. And the rest of them are gonna go inside, right here. We have 2 more cables, right there. Definitely suggest it.